Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to rotate a video in Adobe Premiere Pro, portrait to landscape and landscape to portrait. Now, as you can see right here, we have landscape. We want to turn it into portrait. So what we can do is we can go to sequence settings. And as you can see, this is basically what we want. So we want actually to flip this around. So we want this to be 144 and then click OK. Click OK, and as you can see, this flipped our footage. Now what we can do is we can actually go to the rotation here and we can rotate this to 90 degrees actually right here, as you can see. So this is 90 degrees, and now we have actually the video. See right here. Now if you want to from portrait to landscape, we can do the same but in a different manner. So go to sequence settings, go right here, paste it, and as you can see, or what we can also do, for some of you it will be 1920 but 1080. So make sure to put 1080 by 1920. And what this will do is this will again do it like this, right? Now if you want to go back, we can go 920 by 1080 and then click OK, right? Click OK, and that's pretty much it. Then we can also put this at 0 and this will be back to its original state. So this is how to rotate video in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.